friends, today I'm going to try something that just blew my mind. Recently I was on the Breville website. I love Breville. I love Breville so much I've bought 4 of their cold fountain juicers. We've gotten 2 of them for ourselves, and then we've gotten a couple for some other family members. I often check the Breville website because I'm interested in the espresso machine, and I just love seeing what type of things they come out with. But anyways, I was on the website and I saw this new machine called a Bluicer, which is a juicer and a blender combined. I was really intrigued by it, and I thought that today, since I juice almost every day, I thought today I would test out bluicing. I don't have the Bluicer machine. Basically, it's just a juicer, the cold fountain juicer, and a blender, and I have both of those things, so we're gonna try bluicing today. I don't know exactly if I'll like it or not. I love juicing. I love my carrot juice. As you guys know, I feel like my carrot juice has helped my hair grow longer than I ever thought possible, and it's really helped my skin. And the reason for the Bluicer, or the bluicing, is they say that it incorporates some of that fiber and that pulp back into the juice. You want to juice it first to break down the enzymes so that you can absorb the enzymes quickly into your bloodstream, but then you add back some of that fiber. So it's a little bit different than just blending. It's a juicing and a blending combined. After product is supposed to create a smoothie, or you can create a smoothie bowl that has kind of like a thicker consistency. And you can also do, they say you can do like a banana ice cream also with the Bluicer. Right now I'm just going to try to do a smoothie with the juice and the pulp and see how I like it. I also have my little girl with me. She is 6 months old. She was sleeping, but I think since I started talking it woke her up. So I might pull her out. I already have my carrots and beet and apple washed and dried and ready to juice. I'm gonna be juicing these with my Breville cold fountain juicer. This has been my favorite juicer, which I will put that in a link down below in the description box if you're interested in checking the Breville cold fountain juicer out. I'll also put a link for the Breville, bless you. I'll also put a link for the Breville Bluicer down in the description box as well. Most juicers are kind of like this, where the juice goes in here and the pulp goes in here. With the Breville Bluicer, you can choose how much pulp you want to also go into the juice, and then you can blend it. But what I'm gonna do is juice and then take some of the pulp, put it with my juice, and blend it. So I have my juice all ready to go, and I'm just going to pull out some of the pulp and add it to the blender and then add the juice. It's not extremely smooth. I think that's why a lot of the recipes for the Bluicer include a banana or an avocado. Yeah, it's not so sweet. Like, it tastes like carrot. My recipe, I think, could be perfected a little bit. I just used what I normally juice, and the juice always turns out really sweet. The smoothie isn't as sweet with adding the fiber back in. After drinking the carrot BLUICE, I realized that that is not something that I want to be doing every day. I like the carrot juice so much more than the BLUICE that I made with the blend. I think that's just because of the carrot fiber. It just added a weird consistency for me. I think maybe if you add less carrots, it wouldn't be so bad. I am going to try another recipe to see if I like that a little bit more. This time I'm not going to be incorporating carrots. I'm going to be doing beet, apple, and then I'm going to put a banana into the blender when I blend the beet and the apple. So I'm going to make a smoothie bowl for lunch and see how I like it. Some of this fiber out from this side of the juicer. Let's see how that works. That is most of the pulp. In my blender, I have my beet and apple pulp, and I'm just gonna add that right back in and throw a banana in here. This is really good. This is still a little bit chunky, but it's so good. I'm gonna put it in a bowl and make a little bit of a smoothie bowl. When I had it blending, it kind of scared her. That'll be really yummy. It's also a really pretty color. So I'm gonna throw this over here. I'm gonna put in a date. I'm gonna throw in some walnuts, a little bit of almond butter. Banana. This looks like such a good smoothie bowl. Everything I thought about the carrot BLUICE, I'm just gonna totally negate that because that wasn't, I just had too many carrots, which I love my carrot juice. Carrots aren't for blending though. I don't think they just, it tasted bad. This, oh my goodness, I can't wait to eat it with the topping. So I'm gonna take you guys over here with me. I can see where a Bluicer would be nice to have if you enjoy making smoothies or smoothie bowls. I love the idea of juicing, breaking down the enzymes, and then blending it with the fiber.